Hello everyone. Today the derivation that we are going to do is mutual induction. We have done the derivation for self-induction. So this is the derivation for mutual induction. So let's start. So what is mutual induction? It is basically the phenomena of inducing EMF in a coil by changing the current in the neighboring coil. So just example, if we have one coil here and we have another coil here. So how to induce EMF in this coil? When we change the current in this coil, we increase it or decrease it, then a EMF is induced in the second coil. So we'll do it. Consider two coils. So we'll take two coils. We'll name it as 1 and we will name the second coil as 2. And we'll take current flowing in the coil 1 as I1. So as we know, phi 2 will be proportional to I1. The flux generated in the second coil will be proportional to the current changed. So we have, as we know, flux is equals to Mi. So we can write it as flux generated in the second coil due to the first coil is equal to M21 I1. This is 2. And what is M21? That is coefficient of mutual induction of 2 with respect to 1, because EMF is induced in the coil 2 due to coil 1. So of 2 with respect to 1. Also we know phi 1 will obviously be proportional to I1. So we can write it as phi 1 is equals to M12 I1, which means mutual inductance of 1 with respect to 2. So we know in general phi is equals to Mi, and we know EMF is equals to d phi by dt, and we can write phi as Mi by dt. So this becomes M di by dt. E is equals to, so what do we get? M, that is the coefficient of mutual induction. We get it as E upon di by dt. So this is the formula for coefficient of mutual induction, like we had for coefficient of self-induction. So what can be the SI unit? It will be equal to 1 Henry is equals to 1 volt upon 1 ampere per second. Okay, and like we defined 1 Henry in the case of self-induction, similarly we can define 1 Henry here also. It is basically the same. We get the same formula for mutual induction and as well as self-induction. So this was the formula for coefficient of mutual induction. We understood what is mutual induction from this, but we need to find the exact expression for coefficient of mutual induction for a pair of coils. So now we'll find the expression for coefficient of mutual induction due to a pair of coils. So we'll consider two coils. We'll take the first coil to be this one. We will take the second coil like this. And current I1 is flowing in the first coil. So consider two coils, 1 and 2, each of length L. The length of the coils are L. Let N1 and N2 be the number of turns per unit length respectively for coil 1 and 2. Respectively. And I1 is flowing in the coil 1. So, as we know, B is equals to mu naught Ni. So, B1 will be equal to mu naught N1 I1, the magnetic field in coil 1. So, we can write phi 2, that will be the flux generated in coil 2, as N2 L B1 A1, the number of turns, length, the magnetic field of coil 1 and the area. So we get N2L into mu naught Ni I1 into A1. As we know, B is this. So we get phi 2 is equals to mu naught N1 N2 L I1 A1. And as we know, phi is equals to M21 I1, phi 2 will be equal to, so what do we get? We equate it, mu naught N1 N2 L I1 A1, and I1 gets cancelled. So the coefficient becomes mu naught N1 N2 L A1. So this is the coefficient of mutual induction. Also, we'll just take another case. We'll suppose that current I2 is flowing in coil 2. So in similar way, we get B2 is equals to the magnetic field in coil 2 is equals to this mu naught N2 I2. So we'll get the flux generated due to coil 2 in coil 1 will be equal to B2 A1. So we get the total flux as N1 into L, that is for coil 1, B2 as mu naught N2 I2 into A1. So we get the similar answer here, mu naught N1 N2 I2 A1 L. A2 the area of coil 2, and we also know phi 1 will be equal to M12 I2. So when we equate these two, we get M12 I2 is equals to mu naught N1 N2 I2 A2 L. I2 gets cancelled, so we get the coefficient for 1 with respect to 2 as mu naught N1 N2 L, and the areas of the coils are same, and also we got M21 same and M12 also same. So we can take any case, but the coefficient of mutual induction will come to be equal. So what is the formula for coefficient of mutual induction? So we can write M12 is equals to mu naught N1 N2 A1 upon L. This will be the final formula for coefficient of mutual induction. That is, we take the area of the smaller coil and the length of the larger one. area should be the minimum one and the length should be the maximum one. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.